Hey guys, so today I'm checking out something really cool, and that's the Looki L1. It is a wearable AI companion designed to help you document your life, relive special moments, and actually help to understand yourself better. So let's open up the box, test it out, and see how it works. So here's a box full of accessories. Quick start guide, warranty, all the paperwork. Some more accessories in this bag here. Comes with some stickers and USB-C to USB-C cable. And here's the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. Looki's whole purpose is built around 3 ideas. Document your life without missing what matters, relive your world with clarity and perspective, and support your well-being by helping you see patterns, habits, and moments you'd normally overlook. Once you wear it, Looki quietly captures little moments throughout the day, and then turns all of it into something meaningful. The first thing you'll notice is the auto vlog feature. Looki will automatically select the best clips from your day and turns them into a short story. But its other cool feature is its ability to create comics from the moments that it captures. These are insanely detailed, AI-generated comic-style summaries of your day, or even specific themes like your commute, your meals, or your social life. It's like a digital scrapbook that puts itself together just for you. And the more you wear the device, the smarter it gets. That's because of its proactive intelligence engine, or PI for short. It observes your routines and sends you little messages throughout the day. Sometimes it's a fun comment about what you're doing, or it's a reminder, a fact, or even a bit of encouragement. You can customize PI to act like a storyteller, a companion, or even mimic certain personalities. It's honestly one of the coolest parts because it starts to feel like this tiny, insightful buddy that just understands how you think. There's also some other features to explore, such as Ask Looki. This is where you can ask it questions about your daily routine, and Looki will respond with helpful insights, or even things like sending you notifications if you are having too much coffee. And then there is the Vlog Agent, which helps turn your ideas into videos by using the footage from your day, and you simply give it a prompt for the kind of video that you want. And using Looki is simple. Just turn on AI mode and you'll see the blue light blink. Then just clip it on and forget about it. It will record moments throughout the day. Then at night, you open the app up and your auto vlogs, your comics, and all little PI messages are waiting for you. The device can last up to 12 hours on a single charge, and it's also IP67 waterproof, so you can wear this pretty much anywhere. So it's not just a camera, it's a documenter of your life. A way to see your world from a new angle, and honestly, a tool that helps to understand yourself a little better. So the Looki L1 is perfect for anyone who wants to document their world and embrace AI as a tool for personal growth. I highly recommend you guys check it out for yourself, and you can find more info about it in the link in the description below. I'll see you guys on the next one. See you.